everywhere bago sa street.
Home time, home time.
Oh, it's again, recreation exercise.
It's like, what you guys want? Street one or the spin one?
Straight one, that one.
Guys, labas na tayo guys. Home time. Ano guys oh.
Standing for the mayoralty in the July election will inspire more Māori to get involved with local politics and understanding community with a focus on sustainability solutions for infrastructure and growth. As long as I'm going in with a vision to unify and to enable a connected community across the board, I think I'm already on a pathway to something really positive there. So that's the foundation for my campaign. Ria Hall is also standing for the Papamoa Award, and she's studying for a master's degree in regional development with the University of Auckland. Sodana has been run by commissioners for the past 3 years after the previous dysfunctional council was sacked by the local government minister.
Kailangan daw dalawang hawak ng kamay.
20 years
Drive.
after he stood on the steps of Parliament to defend Labour's foreshore and seabed bill to a hostile Hikoi, former Labour MP John Tamere says the country still hasn't got the right formula for addressing Māori
Tapos
customary
pag ano,
rights.
tingin sa likod,
That law assumed Crown
kanan,
ownership
sa kaliwa.
of Takusai Moana and stopped the Māori Land Court considering whether it should issue title to part of the Melbourne
mag-aaral
Sound.
tayo guys.
It was replaced in 2011 by the
Tama
National
yung
Māori
pag-drive, tama
Party's
pag-drive.
Government's Marine and Coastal Area Act, allowing iwi and hapu to either negotiate title or go to the High Court for determination. And Mr Tamere, who is now Whakati Māori President, says with the exception of Ngāti Pro, which carved out a separate deal, most iwi are still waiting on the court.
There are some very difficult conversations we had over portion still just hasn't been resolved.
Is about to open a transitional housing hub in Auckland. CEO Zoe Whittaker-Hawke says it's 13 to 7 homes and going through the waiting list of 20 whānau with children to determine who will be the first and for what envisaged is a 1-year stay on the way to more permanent housing. There will be continuing support. We've got whānau that will have a whole range of needs. So this isn't just about placing them in a whare. This is about ensuring that all those needs are met in that Papakainga complex. So we will have activities for our whānau, for our tamariki, they're safe, child-friendly, buddy. Zoe Whittaker-Hawke says long-term, the hub wants to develop a rent-to-buy model of home ownership. And that's the Wātea English News.
Sounds wala. Bawal may sounds guys. Guys, traffic dito guys. Guys, dito na tayo sa bahay. Ay! Ay, shit naman. Nandito ako. Baka sumahid sa... Guys, sumahid lang sa pader. Tapos yung ating bawlan. Ating ang ginaw. Paano ko itong aking loto? Gusot kasi. Hindi na yan. Panalo yan $15. Guys, pasok mo tayo sa bahay.
tao. Wala yung tipa-tipa.
Huwag mo sinaduhan, hindi mo na sinaduhan. Iluto mo lang dito, tapos yung regalo niya, bukas mo ilagay.
Ano?
Para
Nakain na kami guys.
lagyan mo ng tubig.